Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. If this is your first time, welcome. Send it as well. Please, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today guys, I'll be sharing how to make alkubus. Alkubus is a very soft, yummy, delicious, I love alkubus. Northern Nigerian dish, very easy to make. You can make alkubus with just wheat or all-purpose flour. I like to mix both for mine, so ina zuba both alkamar da kuma flour hada su nake gaba daya whenever I'm going to make my alkubus. And for me, I feel like it tastes the best in aka hada guda biyun together. So anyways, this video is about 2 minutes, and please try to watch it all the way. If you're new again, don't forget to subscribe. If you've already been following my channel, please don't forget to like the video and comment. That will mean a lot to me, and I'll write down everything you need at the comment section, so do check that. Thank you.